Well, it's going to happen. It's just a matter of when and whether you're prepared for it.
We're talking about floods. They are the second most widespread natural disaster after wildfires. They can be deadly and they're always costly. Tonight, 8 is on your side with information about changing flood maps in the Bay Area and the heights some people are willing to go when they find themselves in FEMA's flood zone danger zone. In the summer of 2017, Hurricane Irma rained down on Florida.
There was holes in the roof, and the water came down on the walls.
Kathleen and Jeff Grant thought about fixing their St. Petersburg home. Then they read the FEMA rules.
The 50% rule was brutal, you know.
Brutal because FEMA's 50% rule dictates how much you can spend on your house. If a house in the 100-year flood zone sits below the base flood elevation, the homeowner can only spend 50% of the market value of the house minus the land value on repairs and improvements. Meaning, if the house is valued at $100,000, FEMA's 50% rule prevents you from spending more than $50,000 on repairs.
The cost to fix that was going to be more than the 50%. So then that's when we said, okay, we have to relook at what we're going to do, and we came up with this.
They hired AJS Construction to elevate their house.
So if you watch real closely, you can actually see it going up.
Up and up, about 12 feet.
And they got it all the way up in probably less than 2 days.
Randy Young did the design. He says homeowners who don't want to move are left with just two options.
You have to either tear it down at that point and build a new home, or you lift it and refashion it.
The 50% rule no longer applies to homes once they get above the floodplain.
The bottom of that house was down here, right there at that level.
We caught up with AJS President Mike Knapp at another house he's lifting in Bel Air Bluffs. You lifted the whole concrete slab on this.
On this one, we lifted the slab and all. People don't think you can. Well, you can.
Yes, you can, for about $65 a square foot. Not cheap, but less than new construction. There's no guarantee that lifting your house above base flood elevation will save it from disaster, but higher is better, and FEMA is raising the bar. Take, for example, Davis Islands, which is about 6 feet above sea level. In some areas, FEMA now requires the lowest floor of a house to be 16 feet above sea level. Plus, the building code requires another foot, that's called freeboard, for extra safety. Now you're 17 feet up. But consider this, Hurricane Katrina's storm surge in 2005, that was nearly 28 feet. Again, higher is better, but this can still happen. FEMA provides some money to qualified homeowners to elevate their homes, but it takes time and patience to work through the system. Dave Jennings is the floodplain manager for the city of Tampa. He can only recall FEMA doing this once in his 38-year career with the city.
It literally took the woman 3 years to get her permits and her grant money from FEMA to elevate it 2 feet.
You see where all the electrical outlets have to be.
Jeff and Kathleen hope doing this now saves them time and money later on. It's been a lot of work, they admit, but at least now they are flooded with optimism.
It was hard for me to imagine it, but so far it's turning out exactly, what we were hoping for.
There is so much to consider before elevating your home. How much is it going to cost? How high should you go? What if FEMA raises the base flood elevation again? You need to do your homework, and now is the time to do it before you're literally in over your head after a disaster.
So I guess really the first step is you need to know if you're in a flood zone or if that has changed and what that means. So where can people see the new FEMA flood maps?
Well, we've included a link to the proposed new flood maps on our website, WFLA.com. You can enter your address there. You can get a comparison report. It's easy to see. It'll show you how your elevation's changing. Those new maps will become effective in January of 2020. And a little reminder here, after this newscast, I'm going to be joining J.B. Buno on WFLA Now, our website, to show you how all of this works. So head to our News Channel 8 Facebook page or WFLA.com at 6:30 tonight to join this conversation. It's important.